30th, 2016. Really a bad spray day. Got some EMF waves going through the sky right there. And everywhere you look, metallic aerosol particles. Looks like they're cooking the sky. Right here. Looks like it's doing the atmosphere good. Can't even look in this direction. It's literally brighter than the sun. Pretty natural there too. And people still don't get it, guys. Days go by, you know. Well, shit, years go by and people still don't notice, so it's kind of having me lose a little hope here. These dancing elephants in the sky. I think maybe a couple people might notice, but that's being pretty generous. Anyway, make a video a little bit later. Wow, the sky's about to get pretty crazy right now. Actually, I might make a video right after this. If the sky keeps going the way it's going. All these wave patterns. Wow. Yeah, talk to you soon.